Okay, so guys, we got the Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University course that we're going through, and they have the Financial Peace Junior. So each of you guys will get one of these kits, okay? Here, don't open it up, all right? I'm going to open this one up and show you what's inside, okay? All right? It's okay. That can be his, and Caitlin will go through this one, okay? So there's the activity book inside, a parent guide, a dry erase chore chart, dry erase marker, printed chore chart labels, give and save and spend envelopes, launch pad poster, and stickers. Okay? So let's just look at it right here. Put yours down real quick, and then I'll go through this one, alright? So this is a quick start guide. You can read the parent guide, sit down with your kids, which we're doing, right? Sit down. Alright, we're on to step 3, introduce the chore chart, set a payday, have fun with your children. Okay, so first thing is in here, right? There's 3 envelopes. What does this one say?
Give.
This one says save, and this one says spend. Okay? So each of you will have one of these.
Give and spend.
Yep. So this right here, right? Each of you will have one of these, okay? It's going to go on the...
So whatever chores we do, we mark it, and then we give it to you guys?
No, we're going to put them on the refrigerator. Mommy and Daddy are going to write chores down here, and then we're going to write how much that job is worth, okay?
Okay.
The harder the job, the more money it's worth, right? Okay.
But I don't know how to read.
It's okay. We'll help you. And then you guys check off each day of the week, and we'll sit down Saturday night, and we'll figure out how much work you did and how much you get paid. What happens if you don't work?
We don't get paid.
What happens if you don't work, Gavin? You don't get paid, right? Okay. So you guys can write down right here, what are you saving for? You can pick a toy that you want to save up for, how much it costs, and then you can see how much money you have saved. So you'll learn how to work and earn what you get, okay? Hold on.
Like how much
So look, there's magnets on the back of here. Like put away backpack, get the newspaper, wash the car, pick up toys, unload the dishwasher, right? And we can put those things on here, and if there's not a magnet for on here, we can just write it in, okay? So we'll play around with this, alright? So each one of these will be, each one of you will have one of these on the fridge, okay? This is a guide for Mommy and Daddy, alright? So we can go through here, and if we have any questions, we can read through this, alright? It talks about different chores and like cutting the grass. Should we have Gavin cut the grass?
No.
No, that's too hard, right? And then look, each of you have an activity book, okay? You can look at your activity book, and it has activities you can do in here and learn how to save money and spend money and how to give money to the church.
And like play a game.
Yep. And then Gavin, look, this is a sticker book right here, right? Now these aren't just stickers that you put wherever you want. You'll have missions accomplished, okay?
Yeah, like you matched them up on there.
Well, you have to do the mission in order to put the sticker on there, okay? Alright, so you do different things. You have like smart cookies, if I had $100, or manner of speaking, a piece of the puzzle, service with a smile. So when you do different things, we'll put them on here, okay? So open your guys' thing up. That's Gavin's. Caitlin, this is yours. You can look at the activity book.
Mine is already open.
So what do you guys think? You want to sit down and cut?
Opened it.
Open it on the front.
Oh, so this is the eraser?
Yeah, that's a dry erase marker. There you go, Gavin.
Come
Oh,
like
there you go. What do you think, bud?
this.
Good? So we'll sit down and we'll go through some chores, right? But listen, what you need to learn, guys, is that you need to work. You need to earn your money, okay? All right? And money, you have to do a lot of work to earn it.
Like, once you cut the bushes and clean it up,
Yep.
and we got paid.
That's a marker so you can mark off when you do your chores, okay?
Yeah, like whatever chores you do, you
Hey.
mark it off.
What happens if you don't work, though?
You don't get paid. You don't
Say you don't get paid. That's right. You'll learn that.
get paid.